Isa sa naging highlight sa naging performance ng SB19 sa Japan, sa Dunk, ay ang collaboration nila with Beefers, kung saan kinanta nila ang isang kanta ng SB19 na hindi na-release. Ilan sa mga YouTube channel ang nagbahagi nito at mula nga po sa isang YouTube channel na medyo hindi natin maintindihan yung name kasi ito po ay Japanese channel. Translated na lang ito, yung mga komento, nila, I saw SB19 for the first time at Dunk and it was so cool and impressive. Thank you for coming all the way from the Philippines. With gratitude from Bestie. Say naman ng isa, Bestie, thank you for sharing. Everyone looks cool and like they're having fun. Well, boy band, the collaboration between the two national boy bands from both countries is amazing. I can't wait for the full song and the MV. I love it so much. I'm a bestie from Thailand and admire both Beefers and SB19. Great collaboration between two biggest superstar idol groups, SB19 at Beefers. Arigato Dunk. Such a good view of the performance. Thanks for sharing. Well, this is a much better video. The audio was good also. Super love Pablo's voice stand out from this song. What a high note from Stel and everyone did great. What a good collab. Thank you for sharing your video for us to watch. Wow! Love this. Our fave SB19 collab with the Beefers. Those high notes from Stel of SB19 is superb. The main vocalist, you are so stable despite all the moves. Yes, yun nga talaga yung mapapansin mo sa SB19 na hindi sila napapagod, pati ang boses ay hindi napapagod. So, SB19 voice are a perfect pitch balancer from the original one. Collaboration of SB19 and Beefers best performance. Amazing! Yan ang sabi nila. At say pa ng isang Japanese, thank you. I'm so happy to see it from this angle for the first time. Pablo and Stel never disappoint in every live performance. Overall, I love it so much. Well, halos po ibang mga lahi na po ang nagkomento dito sa post na ito ng Japanese. May mga Pinoy, pero karaniwan din po ay mga Japanese fan ang nag-comment. Samantala, nito lamang ibinahagi ng SB19 sa kanilang Facebook post ang collaboration nila kay Ninong Rai, kung saan ay nagkaroon sila ng a beat dance move sa tugtog ng Visa. Nagpakita si Ninong Rai ng kanyang talent na taas-baba lang naman. Alam niyo po ba na sa 2 hours ay mayroon na itong 24,000 na reactions, 654 na comments, 722 na share. Grabe talaga. Well, ayan po ang ating Showbiz Stuff update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.